car. This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another unpackaging or unboxing. I have some bumper for you guys for your car. Let's see here. Simple packaging from AliExpress. You can pay 5 or 6 for 4 of these. Let me show you how they are. They're big in size. You see the carbon. Okay, so 2 of them come in a one set together. It's a set of 2 of together, so 4 here. Let me unpack one of them. Here we go. Taking this off one. Let's see how it is. Lovely. Here you have some sticker to take this off before applying. You can see here, although it's a little bit bigger than what I expected, but for protection of your car is important. In this case you have to apply as it is. Okay, so lovely. In this case, let me take this other one. So if you are scratching your car, this will help you not to scratch a lot. Okay, but how they sent me is not a good way, because you see some places it damage a bit. Okay, the double this side as well, so it's damaged a bit and double different places, so they should send me in good way. Although you see how it is, it look as a carbon fiber, if I'm not wrong, or plastic as a design of a carbon fiber, but it's good quality rubberized, good on that. Okay, not bad the product. So to protect your car, to stop scratching your car, you can apply this one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.